Good morning, student. Yesterday I explained you some questions and also given some homework to you of same type of the questions. I hope you do these questions. Let's take some more question based on quadratic equation. That is question number 1. Find the nature of the roots if real root exists. Find it. First part, you see it, root 3x square minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. So A is what? Root 3. B is minus 2 root 2 and C is minus 2 root 3. So B square minus 4AC, that is the discriminant, minus 2 root 2 square 4 into root 3 into minus 2 root 3. Minus 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, 4 into 2 is 8, minus minus plus, 4 2 is 8, root 3 into root 3, that is 3, 8 3 is 24, that is equal to 32, which is greater than 0. Roots are real and distinct or different or unequal. Any word you can use, distinct, different or unequal. Now roots are real and distinct, so find its. Roots are x is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So b is minus 2 root 2, b square minus 4ac is 32, 2a is root 3, also minus root 2 minus root 32 upon 2 into root 3. Factor of 32, that is 4 root 2, so 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 upon 2 root 3, 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2 upon 2 root 3. So it is 6 root 2 upon 2 root 3. It is minus 2 root 2 upon 2 root 3. This 2 cancel, this 2 3 ja, so therefore 3 root 2 upon root 3 and minus root 2 upon root 3 are the roots. See the b part of it, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. A is 1, B is 1, C is 1, B square minus 4AC, 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1, 1 minus 4, that is minus 3, which is less than 0. So roots are not real. When roots are not real, you will not be calculated. Second question, find k for which the quadratic equation k minus 12 x square plus 2 k minus 12 x plus 2 is equal to 0 has equal roots. So a is k minus 12, b is 2 into k minus 12, c is 2. Calculate b square minus 4ac. 2 k minus 12 whole square, that is a b square. First, for equal roots, what will be it? It should be equal to 0. So 2 k minus 12 whole square minus 4 k minus 12 into 2 is equal to 0. 2 square is 4, k minus 12 whole square minus 8, k minus 12 is equal to 0. Taking 4 k minus 12 common, so it will be k minus 12, this is common, 4 to the 8, so it will be 2. Here is square, one power is common, only k minus 12 is left. So 4 k minus 12, k minus 14 is equal to 0, k is equal to 12, k is equal to 14. K is equal to 12 does not exist. Why does not exist? Because if you put k is 12, so it will be 12 minus 12, it will be 0. 12 minus 12, it will be 0. So 2 is equal to 0 is not possible. So k is equal to 14 is the answer. Let us take third question. If minus 5 is a root of the quadratic equation two x square plus px minus 15 is equal to 0, and the quadratic equation p x square plus x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots, find p and k. So minus 5, answer is minus 5 is the root of equation 2x square plus px minus 15. So put the value of x is minus 5, 2 into minus 5 square plus p into minus 5 minus 15 is equal to 0. Minus 5 square is 25, 25 into 2, that is 50. P into minus 5, that is minus 5p minus 15. 50 minus 15 is 35. 5p is equal to 35 and p is equal to 35 upon 5. 5 7 ja. So value of p is 7. First answer is this one. Now equation p x square plus x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. Value of p is 7. So 7 x square plus x plus k is equal to 0. Multiply inside 7x square plus 7x plus k is equal to 0. For equal roots, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b is 7, 4, a is also 7, c is k. This is a 7, b 7, c k. So you put this value and put it is equal to 0. 49 minus 28k is equal to 0, or 28k is equal to 49, k is equal to 49 upon 28, 4 7 4 ja, 7 7 ja, so 7 upon 4 is the answer. Now take the some questions I am giving to you for homework. Homework is find nature of root, if real root exists, find it. Two x square plus 5 root 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Second part, 6x square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Second question, find k for which equation k plus 4 x square plus k plus 1x plus 1 is equal to 0 has equal roots. Third, if 2 is the root of the quadratic equation three x square plus px minus 8 is equal to 0, and the quadratic equation a x square p x square plus 6x minus q is equal to 0 has equal roots. Find P and Q. Thank you.